Today I'll show you how to create a professional website with Hostinger Website Builder. Super fast, no coding needed. Go to hostinger.com and create an account. Choose a hosting plan. Most come with a website builder included. Once inside your dashboard, click Manage, then click Website Builder. Hostinger gives you ready-made templates for portfolios, business sites, blogs, and online stores. Pick one, then click Start Building. Use the drag and drop editor to add text, images, buttons, and videos. Change colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand. Add new pages like Home, About, Services, and Contact. Use the built-in AI writer to generate content. Add an online store to sell products. Connect social media links and contact forms. Click Settings, then connect your custom domain. Hostinger gives you one free in most plans. When you're ready, hit publish and your profile website is live. Pro tips: keep your design clean and mobile friendly. Use SEO settings inside Hostinger to rank on Google. Update your site regularly to keep visitors engaged.